the airlines are hiring right now. So please go and fill in their form.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yatnacha Solati and you guys can call me Yat.
Let's talk about the interview process today. I'll explain it to you in detail of how many rounds you have and what do they expect from you in each of the round, and little hacks here and there on how you can crack the interview and get selected in an airline. Firstly, as I mentioned in my previous video, your fluency in English is very important. So I'll be making this video in English. How do you come to know where the interview is taking place? So on Instagram or the airline official websites, you can just search cabin crew openings or cabin crew interviews. Instagram pe there are aviation pages, then Indian aviation jobs that keep posting about different airlines having their interviews in different locations. So you can go through that. Second is you can go on an airline's page and fill in their form. So there are few airlines for which you need to fill in your details and your upload your resume, and then only they invite you for an interview. There are no walk-in interviews for those airlines. So you can go on their website. They have an option of how to apply on that, fill in your details, attach your resume, because on basis of your resume they are going to shortlist you and invite you for the interview. So in the next video I'll tell you on how you can design your resume so it's shortlisted easily by other airlines. So according to wherever you are staying, Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, Jaipur, they keep having particular dates and particular locations for each interview. Select that date, select that location, fill in the form. Once you get an invite, you have to reach the interview location at least 30 minutes prior to your given time. Like if their timing is from 9 starting, so you reach at 8:30, because punctuality is very important in an airline and before time is on time. They'll invite 50 to 100 people depending on the requirement, and they'll make you sit in a banquet where they'll give you a little bit of information about their airline. A good thing is, like for example, if you're going for an Indigo interview, please read about Indigo, like when it started and how many fleets they have, a little bit of how many awards they've won, what all destinations they travel. If you do a little bit survey on your airlines, it's easier for you to answer their questions, and even they realize that yes, you have good knowledge about the airline. First round will be the introduction round. In the introduction round, they will ask you about your name, where are you from, and what do you do. So each airline have different criterias. Some say that tell me about yourself, or others will be very specific on stating please tell me your name, your location, and what do you do. Some people say tell me your name and your work profile. So it's just a 1 or 2 minute introduction that you need to give. So prepare well. This round they see how confident you are talking in front of other people and talking in front of strangers. So fluency in English and confidence is very important for the first round. Also keep smiling. So they find that approachable nature of yours attractive and they can select you for the upcoming round. The second round will be your BMI round. I have mentioned the BMI, if you don't know what it is, in my previous video. I'll share the link below. Please click on that video and click on the timestamp to know what is BMI and how to calculate it. So BMI round is also very important in an airline. If you come under that required height and required weight, then only the airline will move you to the next round. If not, then they might give you few days to go reduce or increase according to their requirement and come back. After you clear your introduction and BMI, your third round comes to a group discussion round. In group discussion, they see two qualities that are very important in a person. Firstly, you should have leadership qualities, and second, how good you are listening to others. These two are very important qualities for a group discussion. So they will give you a situation and they will divide you into few groups of 5 or 6 people each. What you have to do is you have to discuss amongst each other about that situation, come to a conclusion, and then present yourself in front of the auditors or in front of the interviewers who are taking the interview. For cracking group discussion round, what I'll suggest is listen to everyone first. Okay, if you have better knowledge of that situation or the topic given, talk about the topic, talk about whatever knowledge you have, wait for them to respond, take approvals from everyone. If somebody else has a point, listen to them. So you don't just keep talking to show your leadership qualities, you also listen. So be confident, give others the chance to talk, come to a conclusion, make sure that your team is also confident in presenting in front of the interviewers. Your fourth round will be the one-on-one interview with the interviewers. There will be 2-3 interviewers sitting in front of you and you will sit on the other side. Make sure that you sit up straight, you are confident, keep smiling. Whenever you talk, please maintain an eye contact. They will ask you very basic questions about yourself, about your work experience, and about your education as well. If you have experience in customer service field or industry, well and good. They can give you a situation on okay, for example, if you were in a hotel industry, so how did you handle this situation or how did you handle this customer? Maintain eye contact with them whenever you're talking. Keep smiling because that is also important. If you have to make up an answer, you can ask them for some time, like give me some time, I'll let you know. If you know about the airline, they can ask you in the last round, they can ask you why do you have to join this airline, do you know how many destinations we traveled, which is your favorite destination, where do you see yourself in 5 years, will you be okay relocating, because some of them, like for example you are from Bombay but they have a requirement for Chennai base, so they'll ask you would you be okay to relocate to some other location. So all the best everyone for your interviews. Most of the airlines are hiring right now, so please go and fill in their forms and go for the interviews. If you guys have any questions, please write down in the comments and I'll reply to all of your questions. And I'll also make the next video where I'll tell you how to make a resume so that it's shortlisted for the interview and you get an invite. So bye guys, take care, see you in the next one.